Hi, my name is Sandra. I'm going to present to you one of my greatest accomplishments in my life. In my life, I have made many great accomplishments and reached many goals. Looking back on my life, there are several accomplishments in which I'm quite proud of. Graduating high school with honors, being a great mother to my 7-year-old son. These are all great accomplishments. However, my greatest achievement is graduating with an Associates of Arts and being on the Dean's List. This is an overview of what I will be discussing in my presentation. First off, starting with my life. I am a mother to a 7-year-old boy named Maddox. He is very energetic, smart, compassionate, keeps me on my toes, but I wouldn't trade him for anything in the whole wide world. I also work 2 jobs. My first main job is working at the dermatology clinic. I have been with them for 8 years. I work Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. I work alongside with a doctor named Adam Stybig, and I am currently his team leader. I also work in the emergency room on the weekends. It is a part-time job. They are 12-hour shifts. It's a very fast-paced environment, but I enjoy it. I am also a full-time student currently at Arkansas Tech, pulling in 12 hours right now. What I will be discussing is my greatest accomplishment in my life. Making the Dean's List and maintaining a great GPA and graduating with an Associates of Art is my greatest accomplishment, and I am very proud of it. Benefits of the Dean's List is personal achievement, invitations to special events, getting your name recognized, attractiveness to prospective employers, prestige. First off, personal achievement. The Dean's List is solid evidence that you have worked hard in college, did your best during the academic year. Invitations to special events by your college could be offering receptions to celebrate the achievements of being on the Dean's List. Getting your name recognized, you could get it recognized in the newspaper, at your college, getting an award ceremony, recognizing that you have been presented on the Dean's List, which is a very great accomplishment. Attractiveness to prospective employers. Some employers could be looking for a dedicated student that cares about their GPA, trying to be on the Dean's List, which could be very beneficial to your employment. Prestige is making the Dean's List to academic success and been looked at upon favorable by fellow students and faculty, which these are all great accomplishments and very important to maintain to be on the Dean's List. The Dean's List is an honor that is not easy to maintain. Believe me, it is very hard work, dedication, you got to set goals. First off, to be organized. You're not going to get anywhere in college not being organized. Keep a detailed calendar, know when your tests are. Find a quiet place to study. I have found being in dorm rooms are a horrible place to study or get any kind of work done. Attend all your classes. It is very important that you maintain going to your classes, getting the information to study. I have found implementing the 15-minute review. This is 15 minutes out of your day. You can review, study, get beneficial information, and it will help you. Limit social interactions. I have found social media is very distracting, will get you sidetracked, and keep you from studying. Lastly, study, study, study. It is very important to study. You're not going to get anywhere not studying in college, and you'll never make the Dean's List if you don't study. Dedication. You can accomplish anything when you set your mind to it. I set many goals for myself to set small goals to accomplish my big goal. Someone dedicated is someone who is willing to do anything to accomplish what they've set for themselves. Dedication is something that takes a lot of hard work, commitment, and it eventually will pay off in the end, although it may seem like it will take forever, but you will get there if you dedicate yourself time and pace. Estimate on students that make the Dean's List. I did a little graph to present to you, and this was from the University of North Carolina, about the percentage of students that make the Dean's List, which is very low considering the fact that it's a very big college, but only 39.1% made the Dean's List out of 60.9% that did not make the Dean's List, which I thought was very beneficial to know and kind of sad. Conclusion. Overall, dedication pays off, and you can achieve and accomplish anything you set your mind to. The Dean's List is an honor that most community colleges reserve for those committed to academic excellence. If you believe you are part of this crowd, been formulating positive habits like these outlined above, doing so will keep you on the top of your studies in the Dean's List semester. It is very important to dedicate yourself, set goals, and give your time to set your goals, and you can accomplish anything that you want. I have found that out for myself. I am living proof. This is references where I got my pictures and information from my presentation. I hope you enjoy, and thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation. Thank you.